Innovators, one of our missions is to really bring connection, but not necessarily from me, the older woman in the room, but from individuals who are just a couple years older, from where that student is. You've recently walked in the student's shoes. You've recently just experienced what they're experiencing right now. You have stories to share of your successes and even your failures. We all learn from our failures about what just happened in middle school or the transition into high school. So tell me, how do you think our near-peer mentoring and connection can help these middle school students?
Something that I noticed in this was just like seeing how after the first club, like the students got more comfortable with the mentors and felt comfortable enough to ask them questions. Like Jason was talking about how the 8th grader was asking him questions about high school. And so just like knowing that they, like you said, like a cheerleader, just having someone to turn to, and it makes it more real. Because I think sometimes when students talk to their parents, they're like, oh, I was in middle school once, but it's hard with that connection, like when it's so far away. But having someone who really did just experience that 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 years ago can really help the student feel connected, and like there is a way to get through it, even when it seems really hard. Like this person's done it and they seem to be doing great and they have this advice to give. So I think it's just very comforting for the students.
So for teen innovators, I think having like multiple mentors that have like interests aligning with students, like if a mentor has a sports interest and you have a student in, let's say, maybe 6th grade who has an interest in basketball or whatever, and also if you have a mentor who's interested in climate change, like having mentors like connecting with ideas that students find interesting, I think is very important.